he fighting right now, Jimmy?
5 inches down on the track bar.
Why is the panel bar that low?
Why is the earth round? I'm loose! I don't know what the deal is. These guys cannot drive.
Honestly, Jimmy, I think you're scaring the out of them, man. You're catching them a half a second lap faster than what you're supposed to be.
I usually get the out of the way. I don't know why they won't.
10-4 on the
Sorry, I'm a little excited. I like my race car. Oh, what the hell are you mad at me about?
I don't know why he was such a to you racing you like that, and then lays over for those other two.
Yeah, he's always been too worried about me. Power steering's acting funny. Whatever it does, when I turn right when it stops working.
That's right. Not really supposed to be turning right. Get these guys out of the way.
You knocked the out of the spotter for the 17th.
Yes, sir. Really good job on these tires, Jimmy. They look great. You really did a good job for as much as you were pounding on them, man. Good job.
Expecting a report card like I got in high school. Not so good. Damn, it's like, what's that movie with John Reeves where he just keeps missing he sees it in slow-mo?
That would be the Matrix, sir.
Yeah, that one. A lot of them been upside down today. That's unfortunate.
How the hell do you know that?
There's big screens all down the front stretch. Hot dog or cheeseburger?
What was that, buddy?
Curious if for a hot dog or a cheeseburger.
78 is currently the fastest car on the racetrack. He is very, very low through the corners, getting his left side tires on the white line.
That must be pretty low. There's not even a white line.
Very, very observant. It's pretty low. How's that? Work your tools, buddy, all right?
Do you want me to ride or go? What do you want me to do?
We need to try to keep our pace up as best we can, bud.
The crash.
If that thing's loose up there, drop your panel bar down.
Dude, I have, okay?
You do what you feel like you got to do. Just tell me what you think I need to do in here to try to help you. No in-car camera this week. Sweet.
I've really had to control myself the last couple weeks. We're throwing everything at us, but we're going to overcome it.
Yep. You can dodge a wrench. You can dodge a ball.
That's Talladega Nights?
Jesus, man. Dodgeball. Come on.
No contact. Be sure to thank the 11er for being such a great guy.
What do you have going on there?
I'm really mad right now.
That's fine. We'll just let me know what we did differently there because I just need to know. Do I need to adjust something?
It's a long story that we're just going to get an argument over, so the car's fine.
14, one back to the 21, coming inside.
Did he have to be such a I mean, he's just got a race. What the
Good job, man. Be patient. Gonna send him a Twitter message, holding us up. Really good thing Super Brad was up there around 6 laps down and wrecked the field.
He knows best.
Just ask him, he'll tell you. Only the 17.
Seriously? Is there a reason he's here driving?
Yeah, he doesn't get enough attention from his girlfriend.
And that one car that I am racing for a championship and he doesn't need to me around?
To the 11th turner? The 11th jumps him.
Tell him to quote me, that's a good one. How about a hand wave from the 6?
Got a long race to go, we need to keep a race car, Jimmy.
Frustrated with both the 21 and the 42. They can't tell that I'm inside of somebody and there's grass approaching and they clobber us and send us up the road. Is there a minimum speed they get to get that 66 out of here?
Are you okay, man?
Yeah, baby! I dodged all that. That was awesome. Did they put anything down?
No, sir.
Do they not have experience with grease and understand how that works?
Go, man, go, go, man, go, go. Stop, 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 go. Me.
Good job. Keep me from crashing there. Just reflecting back on it. It's kind of funny, everything you said there.
Well, 17, I mean, he's running dog last, and he comes in. He could have damn backed off and let us roll in. I mean, what a...
These come to race or sit in a parade?
When you get to the last great Coliseum, they're pointed the other direction. You're still going through the corner.
It said I enter high like them, and it does me no good.
Not trying to get on your nerves, but we talked about this. 22 saying he's real tight here, bud.
About to get dumped. Move!
I'll ask now. Get back in that rhythm.
Chad, I'm going.
Time to pick those rear tires up.
Yep, tell us fire is coming. Teammates! Tired of it.
48, too fast.
No, no! There's no way! Please tell me you talked to their spotters or at least flip them off when this is all said and done.
Yeah, the 14 just got sad. He just wrecked it. It was all the 14.
I'm destroyed, and I just got drove through like 6 times by the 14. What the is he thinking? That is the stupidest thing I've seen in my career. Literally.
Everything you described is accurate.
What the is this problem? 77's dropping oil everywhere.
Stay out of his path.
No This is awesome.
Well, there's people passing us, dude.
Right, because I'm the guy up on the cushion trying to make something happen about busting my ass.
Clear. You're awesome. Did you close your eyes?
No.
Well, we know how you made it through that.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle, it's raining.
Gonna need to make a little bacon today, buddy. Gotta get this thing to the front.
Made me hungry.
Bop.
I need a new set of tires. These things are dog.
Pit 4 on dog poo-poo.
Go for a grip.
Nobody does, buddy.
Okay, then don't work on it.
I'm gonna work on it, dude, but you gotta hang on to it for another lap or two, man. If you just told me we were gonna finish third with a perfect race car today, I would have been happy.
So the second one's one beat all the even better.
Sorry. I can't see. I'm so happy I don't even know. Hang on to it. On an ass.
Or would you find a spotter and tell me to beat his ass?
Are you doing that because you're tight?
No, because I'm sliding loose in and hanging out there.
A little shallower might help.
Okay.
Well, man, I'm just trying to help, pal.
Dude, I just wish you would believe me like I try those things. I know you're trying to help, but I can't hold the wheel down there. I'm loose in. Got to be kidding me! Oh, God! No hand signals, nothing?
Did you just lose it, bud?
It just turned around on me.
Man, you have up a perfectly good race car today.
Apologies.
Accepted.
You let this spotter know I'm tired of sitting on my door. Covered from last year, too.
What's going on?
Well, there's this race going on, and I was going up through there, and the 42 turned down on me to 1. I know. Let's just move the on. I just need a little better tire pressure, and I'll do better.
Calm down, pal. I'm trying to help.
Not calm, but the slightest bit in the car right now, so I'm trying.
Any contact at all?
Somehow, no.
Somehow? You're driving that thing. All right, good job. Still out there, quarter, outside door. Still there. Send him.
Yeah, I'm sure he's sorry. Tell Brent that. I'm sure he is. Why would he clip me going in the turn like that?
A little bit of help from the 22.
That's great, because I got a huge tire rub.
Crew chief on the 77. I cannot wait to pay him back for this. Him.
Yeah, he just keeps getting wider and wider. That's pretty chicken.
Yeah, you said you're scanning us the whole time. It all comes around, buddy. It all comes around. Just remember that.
Saw that whole thing in my mirror. That was unbelievable.
He never lifted. He was on the roof of the 39, smoking the tires on the roof. Right on.
41 basically tried spinning me out on the backstretch.
If you want, you can just take him out now and just get it over with.
I'm driving my ass off and about to crash.
Why are you crashing? I'm trying to help you. Why are you almost crashing, Jimmy?
Racetrack. I drive it in real hard and I slide to the wall and almost crash.
Okay, does that mean you're tight, or does that mean, what does that mean?
So I don't know what to do.
4 tires, drop the panel bar 1 round.
I don't know if it's nice for him to put me to the bottom after he comes up and takes the top away from me. Every week you do like that. Get 23 car.
Calm down, we can't this up now.
Yeah, there's a little. Well, no, if he'd used his head a little bit, I wouldn't have had to happen.
We should have done a better job. They were all blocking him.
Yeah, it's not Earl's fault. I was trying to pass the 24. He's a way. 20 should be penalized for stopping everybody that restart.
The flipping rabbit running down the back straightaway. He got off. You won't get him this time.
Oh, man, seriously? 95 car. That's their 27 to not run people into a corner like that. 32 is me twice. Get rid of him, please. Don't know how the 14 saved that. I was trying to send him.
Yeah, I would have been happy if you did.
Twice the 43 running the line and me.
Hang on to it. Outside. Hang on to it. Outside.
Didn't spin. I just got real loose. I should have spun.
Yeah, Dale packed a ton of air underneath you, man. He was right on your...
But we aren't even the leaders. What the did he think?
He was the leader at the time. I think he was trying to keep everybody behind him.
NASCAR, please park the 55.
Man, we just need to send that.
Well, the 47 decided to turn into our right front on the front stretch.
ACM is spinning. All right.
We missed one at Daytona. Well, he tried to pull it down in front of the 11. 11 sent him into me, and then I finished him off. He just tried shutting the door on the 11, and that wasn't going to happen.
30 more minutes or more. Go get you a sandwich, take care of your needs, they said.
And the thing gets boring. We're in a good spot. We got a beer stand and a pizza stand right behind our pit box.
Go back to the right rear and tighten the lug nut. Tighten the lug nut! We're going to be fine. NASCAR kind of us on that deal there.
Why is the 88 driving through me like that? Come on, 42. That sucks.
Come on, buddy. Focus forward. We got another one coming.
I've been screwed by that 88 every restart, one way or another.
Outside. Clear. Yeah. And that doesn't sound very cool when he says that. It's a lot cooler like this.
Woo-hoo!
Right here. Turn it. Nice and smooth. Whoa. What the
That's the
Back it up. Nice and smooth. Get him in the box. Back him up. Get the away with their hose.
Screaming at me is not helping me get stopped.
He is the biggest
NASCAR, you got to look at that angle. That is not correct. That is not out of the box, NASCAR. They've asked us to pit. Let me know. They're making a new bullshit rule on us, Jimmy. Fine. We'll come down and we'll serve our lap. What is this new rule? I don't even know. They just make this shit up as they go.
Can you thank the 20 for driving me into the wall off of turn 3, please? It's better than that.
Let me know if there's anything we can try to adjust for you, Jimmy.
Step 4 is still the same thing. Really no big change in the handling.
So the big issue is just loose into 3, correct?
Loose all the way around the track, but yes, loose is into 3.
Sorry, Jimmy. I just don't know what to tell you, man. Last week in the same situation, you couldn't even turn the car, so I don't know what's going on.
Let's just forget last week, man, and focus on right now, and we'll fix it. Track will come to us. There's a lot going to change.
Trouble in turn 2. Jimmie Johnson's engine has gone up in flame.
Oh, it's going big time. Got to be kidding me. Got to be kidding me.
That's loose.
Yeah, it's wicked loose.
Man, if you got to, you drop in the Panera bar.
Yeah, my back.
The max is the bottom, apparently, because we're the only car on the track that's getting passed.
Get those belts tight. You ready?
Dude, your cheerleading's terrible. I'm gonna drive my ass off. Don't sweat it. Just fucking watch. Actually annoying instead of helping. Just let me go out and do my fucking thing.
Dude, I left the broom. What the hell?
Bring her to pit road, bud.
Wow, this is not smart.
What the man? He didn't race the 2 that hard. Put your bumper on him, dude. Get that 32 out of the way.
Step 49 out of the way, please. I'm flying all the other turns up. Don't 3.
Fluid hanging out of the 20 car. What is that?
Gas. Did you slide it tire, JJ?
No, sir. I was all over the loud pedal. Get the out of there.
Oh, my goodness. Matt just got more fans than he's ever gotten in his whole life right there.
Somebody tell me what I did wrong there.
He's a douchebag. I don't know what the fuck he was thinking, man. He waved you by, and then he didn't race it.
What in the hell went wrong?
I have no clue what he did. He just bombed it in there like a moron.
What's that 32 doing?
Just let him go, bud.
Okay, moving over. Well, that's one more car to worry about.
I go with this for some reason. That car's still not working. Let it go. Bunch of out there today. 17 only. The fucking bumper to him, man.
Throw out of the way. I'm not feeling anything. Not at all.
We were going to have to do a pass-through because of uncontrolled tire.
The 22 spotter is leading him really hard to block you off 4.
Block this.
Just killed our car. It ran us over.
That's what happened. Joe Logano's a dumbass is what happened.
Go, 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 go. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, my God. Go, go, go. Me. You guys. We could this up any worse today.
Yeah, we probably heard it this time.
Take it to the garage. Take it to the garage. You want something to eat? Want a knuckle sandwich? Spider, you got a copy? Oh, yeah. Spider's on it. Copy. Where you at, my man? Standing right here next to my 3 amigos. 10-4. I don't know where you're at, but I hope you got a good seat. Little Marvin, you got a copy? I do, sir. Oh, that is awesome. It's a bird. It's a plane.
Tires down. Right front.
Jimmy, the tire just came apart. It's not even flat.
Wow.
But I'm sure, you know, that's something that we did. I'm sure it's our fault.
What is this problem?
Does Boyer have a spotter?
Yeah, he does.
I didn't get anything but his door when he came across my nose.
What happened there?
We got loose.
Our day's done here if we up anymore.
I think we just got to fix the car.
Body's fine.
I think when you get a closer look at it, you'll disagree.
Go, man, go. Stop, stop, stop. Back up, back up. Go, 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 go. Go. God, God. Oh, this is just a disaster.
Why is he in front of me?
Smoking, damn it. Guys, come on. We know we got a flat tire. We don't need fuel. Let him down, guys. Let him down, guys. Come on. Go! Damn it, go! Guys, let's make sure we got some bear bonded ready to go. Did you people not hear him say he just hit something really big? Did nobody else hear that?
What kind of pace were the leaders running? Just trying to get a figure or an idea how hard to run.
As fast as you can. I don't know if maybe this time if you can try to stay up track a little bit might help, maybe.
Yeah, I've got some good stuff planned down here. I just don't want to talk about it too much.
Fine. Be that way. You alright, Jimmy?
Yeah, I'm just angry.
Alright, we're all pit this time. They say they don't like our right side anymore.
What's the new penalty I have to serve?
Dude, I just gotta do what I'm told with these guys. You know that.
I am so confused.
Fast pace car entering pit road. We've been penalized a lap? Yep. That's the penalty? Apparently so.
This is absolutely ridiculous, NASCAR. What happened on my windshield here? That's kind of a problem. I'll survive, but wow.
I have no idea, man. I don't know what happened.
The windshield tear off didn't come off.
Andy's got to get the gym. His grimy little arms couldn't handle it.
Is there a minimum speed? They get to get that 66 out of here.
He's well above minimum speed. You're doing a great job, Jimmy. Get a deep breath here. Focus forward.
Dale is out of control.
Slow down. Slow down.
I can't slow down in the turn like that. Wow, we got lucky.
Oh, we did. That was pure talent.
Oh my God! Who the was that?
I don't know, man.
The car is destroyed. That's a mother 55.
Buddy, you're doing a really good job of being courteous with these guys, but if we don't keep our pace up just a little bit, we're going to get lapped again during this stint.
I'm really not trying to be courteous. I have my hands so full.
Timmy, are the brakes what's holding you back from turning a faster lap?
No.
Both restart, he made. 48 pass through, restart violation.
I was off the gas, NASCAR. Please look. I checked up to give him his spot back, but he blew it so bad.
Just holding you up by running 3 wide. Okay, man, if you can pass, get up there and pass. Been exciting over here for us. We've had the 22 pull his jack all the way around the racetrack. I think the 11 had a penalty. The 78 just blew up. It's great. Ratings are up. Roll on through. Save gas. There better be some real f***ing problem out there to throw the damn caution. Passing through is the only thing we could do. If we just stopped in our box, we'd been What was the caution for? Rubber. F***ing rubber. Really? In the middle of the pit cycle. You are looking at 7-time champion.
Oh my God! No way! Yes! Yes! I don't even know what to say! Yes!
Man, I am so proud of you. You're a good man. You're a great champion. Now you're a 7-time champion, brother. The winner of the race and the champion can celebrate anywhere he wants to.
Thank you, boys. What a great way to finish her up. Love you guys. Love this company. Love the sport. Thank you guys so damn much.
Man, I am so proud of you. Burn that thing down.
Nah, those donuts are for Chase. I'm just going to give a little wave.